downstairs having breakfast. Oh, my hair's messed up. And let me show you what I had for breakfast. Look.
Yeah, So
I have, this is a penguin. You can eat it because it's a bun. This one's a tomato. It's a bun as well. It's so cute. This one's just a normal one. And this one has like shapes on it, and it's like probably a dog or something. Now fit check. I have the Lululemon inside leg warmer, a Burberry scarf, Country Road jacket, Kathmandu jacket, leggings from Lululemon, and UGG boots, and socks from, I don't know. Okay, let's redo my hair. Can someone tell me if I should do it up or down? Because I want to make it up, but my mom says down would look better. But I feel like up will look like easier to do. And this tomato, actually this strawberry one is so cute. Let me try it. It doesn't taste like strawberry. I don't know what's inside, but it's sweet. I'll give that one a 7 out of 10. Let's try the penguin one. Inside is this. It's so good. My hair is literally freezing. 对，去问冷的。That's the video for today, guys, and bye. Love you boys.